Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, so just random. These are my 4 hours. Okay, this is the 4 hour bot, and we're gonna just take a look at the stats. The stats is only configured to show the previous trade. The math still needs to be done to figure out how to backtest. That's a wild part. It's not necessary yet right now. So let's just go to the. This is the spot the futures market, and I'm sorting it. As you guys can see, I'm not cherry picking. I'm sorting it by the highest trade. Let's go down all of these. This is maybe like 30 coins and see how it performs. Okay. So on the 4 hour, TUT. So this is on a $10,000 account, $10,000 per trade. On TUT, it made 28%. Next one, and it loads very fast. I'm loading it. I'm making it so it loads faster. So $10,000 account. Okay, this made 13%. So 1,300. This one's not enough data yet. OG, whoo, OG. And this is talking. And this is going to the last trade that this coin would have taken based off of my bot. Okay, so OG, whoo, look at OG. I've now taught it how to officially ride a parabolic wave. Okay, so this one made 43.5%, 4,300. Next trade. It's going to have some losing trades. It's not going to be perfect, I promise you. But the losing trades are so minimized, like this one, $85 loss. And this accounts for fees. 122 loss, $200 win, so it's 2% win. $200 loss. Woo! 24% win. $2,000 win. Oh, $500 win, or 5%. 8% or 800. Not enough data. $50 loss. $36 loss. Not enough data. Beam, $885 win. $900 loss. That's the first big loss. Like close to 10%, but barely. $54 loss. This one's taking long to load. Oh, this is BTC DOM, that's why. It shouldn't even be on here. Soon. $1,300 win. Let's see if we can catch the parabolic move here. Woo! And it does. Do you guys see that? It literally caught that. It caught the 4 hour candle that went up 20% for 15%. Damn. This bot is, I'm telling you, this bot's fucking wild. This is the first bigger loss. 1,433. Right? $25 loss. Okay, $1,200 win. $2,400 win. I would say out of $60 loss, I would say total, there's probably about $3,000 in losses in this chart and probably $30,000 in win. And look at that. Woo! $2,600, $2,100 win. This spot's wild, man. Like, that's 11 years of trading for you, I'm telling you. So you guys might be thinking, but Phil, you're just taking the highest gainers for the day and showing us that. Well, let's go to the worst gainers of the day. Okay, Aster's not enough data yet. This one's $265 loss, $275 loss. And don't forget, this is based off of the last trade it would have taken for this coin. Okay, $40 win, $800 loss. Not enough data yet. $1,300 loss. Not enough data. Not enough data. Not enough data. Usually the ones that drop a lot are like newer coins. So yeah, they can be kind of shitty sometimes. Not enough data, not enough data. Let's see Philakone, a coin that's established. Ooh, $1,700 win. WU, that's established. $800 win. Morph is established. Damn, it caught literally that top morph right there. $1,400. I didn't catch damn yet because it's still kind of new. Okay, it needs more data. Métis, $400 loss. PTB, nothing yet. Aria, nothing yet. This coin is pretty established, $2,100. So you can see that it doesn't matter what I'm looking at. It outperforms the market, this bot, 100% guaranteed. 820%, or sorry, 820 win. $1,200 win. It basically just keeps going like this, guys. If you go to the top coins, like let's just say the Solana, Solana, let's see how it looks there. So for Solana, it's loading. $1,450 win on Solana. So the top blue chip coins. Let's see, HBAR. HBAR, $1,100 win on the last trade. Polkadot, it probably caught that trade. I wouldn't be surprised if it did. Probably this one right there. There you go. It caught it right. Actually, it's still in the trade right now. It's actually no. This one is still in the trade right now. It's referring to this last trade that it caught right there, from there to around there. Whew, 11% win. Let's go to XLM. Let's see what it can do for the top coins, right, on the last trade. XLM, $900 win. Let's see random coin like Cardano. Okay. So Cardano, let's see if it wins. Whew, $900 win. Those are big percentages, man. Look at that beam, $900. These are all top coins. Whether I chose a shit coin that was moving, or the top gainers today, or even Link lost the trade here. This was a pretty volatile move, but it only lost not even 2%. So you can kind of see the power of this bot. It's gonna be launched very soon. I don't know how I'm gonna do. I have no idea anything about the pricing or anything yet, but clearly it's something very valuable. Therefore, it's not gonna be cheap. Put it that way. I developed this for myself for trading, and I'm probably gonna like let 100 people join or something. That's it, like as like a founders edition or something, founders lifetime membership, and that's kind of it. Get 100 people in the group, and then the platinum members will all have access to it for free. So they'll have access to it as long as they're in the platinum group. That's how it's gonna go. So get ready. This is by far the best bot that I've ever seen. I took a look at every single bot on YouTube, and they all suck, man. Like compared to what I built, it's not just like using a bunch of like AI or something to make it. This is some strong prompts from a professional trader that questions it, and I got really a really good results out of this. If you're a swing trader, there's nothing better than this on the market. I showed you the results yesterday, the day before. This is the third day of showing the results on the 4-hour, and it just keeps crushing these trades. And the 4-hour, if you're a swing trader, you're busy, you're probably gonna be able to heavily take advantage of this. Let's do it, guys.